You want to save some money? Here's a cleaning tip. One of the best ways to save money when it comes to cleaning, whether it's for your home or for your cleaning business, is to buy cleaners in concentrated form. Thieves Concentrated Cleaner is one of my all-time favorites. I found this mop soap on TikTok. Amazing. And now there's a pumpkin spice scent. What? Pure evergreen. Also a phenomenal hydrogen peroxide concentrated cleaner. Why concentrated cleaners are great is because you just put a little bit in a bottle and fill the rest with water. And then you're good to go. Or you put a little bit in your bucket and you mop with it. So you control the dilution ratio. You control how strong you want the scent. Because it's in a concentrated form, you save money since you're the one controlling the amount of water you want to add to it. Instead of buying a bottle that's already 90% water and their cleaning formula. You save money with a concentrated cleaner. When using a concentrated cleaner, you're also saving money because you're not having to constantly buy more spray bottles. You use one spray bottle, fill it with the concentrate, add water, and you're good to go. And that one spray bottle may last you months, if not years, with just refilling it with the concentrate. So you're not always just throwing out a bottle of Windex and having to buy a new bottle of Windex. You have the concentrate and you just add water to it and you save money and you save bottles and you save the environment that way as well. Even better, if you buy a concentrated cleaner from a small business, you're going to be supporting a small business. So I'm going to put the links down below of these concentrated cleaners that I love, because when you buy with my link, you'll be supporting my small business since I'll earn commission, and you'll be supporting them by buying their products. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.